We just want to make sure they actually did replace the battery, which is underneath the compartment here. So the battery is a TrueStart 325 CCA AGM battery. This is model number 054421171325, and there's an 84-month warranty. Toyota TrueStart battery. So I guess you just remove all these bolts here and reconnect, install the battery and reconnect. And I don't even think they saved the memory of the vehicle computer, because when I started my vehicle after the installation, it went to the default. It didn't keep the settings that I had for the temperature. Also the drive mode, I usually had it on Echo. It was defaulted to standard, so that means they didn't save the computer information. Yeah, so you just install and replace everything back in here. It's literally just a snap. Everything just snaps back. I chose to have them do it because I got a coupon. And if you were to do it yourself, things just snap back in place. And then this piece here, you just fold over. Yeah, if you were to replace it yourself, you have to take it out and return the old battery or the core charge wherever you buy it from. Yeah, and then just replace the mat, and there you have your replacement, which you can do it yourself. The battery is small, so it's not heavy, so it's completely doable. Like I said, they didn't even save the computer information, so you don't have to worry about using an extra battery or use those battery savers that you hook up to the OBD port right up front there. So you don't have to do that. The computer will relearn whatever you set after you install your battery. There's no really adverse effect that I see so far. So yeah, so that's the 2017 XLE RAV4 hybrid. I think if you have a limited edition, the battery might be different, because you need a heavy duty for the limited edition. You need a heavy duty battery. Yeah, so the cost is about $250 if you were to buy the battery alone, and they charged me $382 minus $25 with a coupon. So yeah, I think it's you can do it either way, install it or have the dealer install it. Yeah, so do it before the battery goes bad, because when it does, not only will you not be able to start your car, you won't even be able to open your car door if the battery dies completely. Because even with a physical key, it won't open the door because your battery is completely dead. So I guess theoretically you can wait until the last minute. It can last up to 7 years. So I changed it to 6.5. Okay, thanks for watching.